Hey, 42 here. Let's take a look at some of the wackiest, weirdest animals that roam the earth. The Grimpophius, otherwise known as the Dumbo octopus because of its ear-like fins, is one of the weirdest inhabitants of the deepest, darkest depths of the ocean. They are found in oceans all over the world, but are very rarely seen because they live at the bottom of the sea, unlike most species of octopi that live in shallow waters. The Dumbo octopus swallows its prey whole. For that reason, the size of its prey never exceeds 2 millimeters. A little less pretty is the Aye-aye. This peculiar looking lemur isn't winning any awards for good looks. Found only in the northeastern parts of Madagascar, it is categorized for its scary appearance, and the people of Madagascar believe that seeing an Aye-aye predicts death. If you think that's weird, the hooded seal has an inflatable bladder in its head. It can inflate a large red sac from its nostrils to either ward off predators or to impress females. If you don't want to sleep tonight, then say hello to the Promochophia sulcus, a squid with actual human-like teeth. We only know about this rare species because of a single specimen caught by a German research vessel in the southern Atlantic Ocean at a depth of over 2,000 meters. The prize for the most bored animal goes to the Cape rain frog, a species of frog endemic to South Africa. It is essentially a rock with arms, which can't be much fun. The unfortunate looking naked mole rat is found in East Africa. It has a highly attuned and unusual set of physical traits that enable it to survive in an otherwise harsh underground environment. For example, they have no pain transmitters in their skin whatsoever, and as a result feel absolutely no pain when they are exposed to acid. The dugong is a large marine mammal related to the manatee and elephant. They are basically the vacuum cleaners of the sea floor, feeding on underwater grasses with their sensitive snouts. Some believe dugongs were the inspiration for the ancient seafaring tales of mermaids and sirens. The superb bird of paradise is found in New Guinea. The species is known for its unique courtship display. The species has an unusually low population of females, so competition amongst the males is fierce. This has led to the evolution of one of the most bizarre occurrences in all of the natural world. In order to find a mate, first the male clears the dance floor by meticulously scrubbing the floor using a leaf until it's smooth and clear. The male then attracts a female with a loud call, and next comes the dance. It folds its feathers into a large fan shape, forming an eerie blue face, and dances in a circle around the female. Even despite this spectacular display, the average female rejects around 20 potential suitors before consenting to mate. Probably the ugliest thing in the entire animal kingdom is the blobfish. Seriously, it actually was voted the world's ugliest animal. It inhabits the deep waters around the coasts of Australia, Tasmania and New Zealand. Its gelatinous massive skin helps it maintain buoyancy at 1,200 meters below sea level, where the pressure is several dozen times higher than the surface of the ocean. It feeds off tiny floating matter and generally just makes other fish feel depressed. The Galapagos Islands is home to a bat with lips. Known as the red-lipped batfish, these peculiar looking fish aren't very good swimmers and use their highly adapted pectoral fins to walk on the ocean floor. The goblin shark is a deep-sea monster straight out of nightmares. It is extremely rare and has been called a living fossil because it is the only living representative of the Mitsukuridae family, a lineage some 125 million years old. Specimens are very rarely seen alive by humans because it lives at depths greater than 1,000 meters beneath the ocean's surface. The Glaucus atlanticus, or more commonly known as a blue sea slug, seems like it could easily be an alien from another planet. You can find these otherworldly creatures floating on the surface of warm waters in the ocean. It has a gas-filled stomach to help it float. And finally, we have scotoplanes, commonly known as sea pigs because of their plump, piggish appearance. Sea pigs live on the ocean floor at depths of over 1,000 meters, specifically on the abyssal plain in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. They obtain food by scuttling along the ocean floor and extracting organic matter from the deep sea mud. Thanks for the view, subscribe for more 42.